Hello friends, myself Dr. Prem Rathod. I am working in Sri Siddheshwar Mahavidyalaya, Mazalgaon. I am head Department of Mathematics. We know that mathematics is useful in our daily life. We know that the mathematics is used in daily life. So we learn today the group theory is the syllabus of BSc third year. The group theory is useful in various examination like MPSC, UPSC, and also in various competitive examination. So we start the chapter group theory. First, we see that the definition of group. Let a non-empty set G with the binary operation star, then G star is called as group if and only if star is satisfying the following four properties. First, closure property. Second, associative property. Third, existence of identity. And fourth, existence of inverse. So, definition of group: a non-empty set G with binary operation star, then G star is called as group if and only if star binary operation star is satisfied following properties. Number one, closure property. For all A comma B belongs to G, group G, then A star B belongs to G. Now, second property, associative property. Number two, associative property. For A comma B comma C belongs to G, then in bracket A star B bracket close, outside the bracket star C is equal to A star in bracket B star C. Now, third property, existence of identity. Existence of identity. For A belongs to G, there exists an element E belongs to G. For A belongs to G, comma, there exists E belongs to G such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A, where identity element. And last, fourth property, existence of inverse. For A belongs to G, comma, there exists A inverse belongs to G such that A star A inverse is equal to E is equal to A inverse star A. Now we see some examples of group. Suppose exercise number 1. Now we see that the example, prove that the set G is equal to, in bracket, 1 comma omega square, where omega is the imaginary cube root of unity is a group with respect to binary operation multiplication. Now in this exercise we have proved that the set G is equal to 1 omega square is a group. Just we see that the definition of group, G star is a group with binary operation star, where binary operation is multiplication. So according to definition of group, G binary operation multiplication is satisfied these four property: closure property, associative property, existence of identity, and existence of inverse. If G star is satisfied these four property, then the set G is a group. So we prove that proof. First we construct a table. We have our binary operation is multiplication. We have given a set 1 omega square. Also we write 1 omega square. So 1 into 1 1 into omega 1 into omega square omega into 1 omega into omega square omega into omega square omega cube Also omega square into 1 omega square, omega square into omega, omega cube, and omega square into omega square, omega raised to 4. Where omega cube is equal to 1, comma, omega raised to 4 is equal to, we write this omega cube into omega is equal to 1 into omega is equal to omega. Now by the definition, the first property is closure property. Closure property. For all 1, omega square, therefore by definition of closure property, omega into omega square is equal to omega cube is equal to 1 belongs to G. The second property, associative property. Associative property. By definition, for all 1 omega square belongs to group G, then first bracket 1 into omega outside the bracket omega square is equal to 1 into in bracket omega into omega square is equal to 1 into omega cube is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and 1 into in bracket omega into omega square is equal to in bracket 1 into omega outside the bracket omega square is equal to omega square omega cube is equal to 1. This implies that 1 into omega outside the bracket omega square is equal to 1 into in bracket omega square. This property is satisfied. Thus G is associative with respect to multiplication. Associative with respect to binary operation multiplication. Now third property, existence of identity. Third property, existence of identity. The existence of identity. Let A belongs to G, comma, there exists 1 belongs to G such that A into 1 is equal to A into 1. Therefore 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into omega is equal to omega, and 1 into omega square is equal to omega square. Therefore 1 is identity element of G. Now last property, existence of inverse. Now last property is existence of inverse. Let the inverse of 1 is 1. This implies that 1 into 1 is equal to 1. The inverse of omega is omega square. This implies that omega into omega square is equal to omega cube is equal to 1, and the inverse of omega square is omega. This implies that omega square into omega is equal to omega cube is equal to 1. Hence, therefore, G is a group with respect to the binary operation multiplication. So, students, next period we have seen the another examples.